To solve this quadratic equation, we need to factorize the left-hand side into two brackets. In the factorising section there's a method for doing this, but I'll go through this again here. We want two numbers that will multiply to give us 15 and add to give us -8. Two such numbers would be -5 and -3. -5 times -3 is 15, and -5 add -3 is -8. We use these two numbers to split the -8, so we get x squared minus 5x minus 3x plus 15. We then factorize each half of this expression, take out a common x, we get x minus 5, take out minus 3, and we get x minus 5. The x minus 5 will be the same on both sides, and the other bracket contains the x from here and the minus 3 from here. Therefore, our equation becomes x minus 3, x minus 5 is equal to 0. The contents of this bracket must be equal to 0, or the contents of the other bracket must be equal to 0. This one gives me x is equal to 3, and this one gives me x is equal to 5.